are you? Oh, I'm excited because it's spring. There we go. Look at these. So there we have my broad beans, and there we have the sweet peas that we planted the other time, and they're coming up. Isn't it lovely? Because it's spring, everybody. Oh, that's right. You can feel it surging up through you, can't you? And the nights are getting longer. We've got lovely, the days are getting longer. That's what I mean. The nights are getting shorter. We've got lovely light evenings. Oh, it's lovely. And the weather's sort of warming up a little bit. So what we're going to do in Betty's kitchen and garden is over the next few weeks, we're going to hear from some of my friends. That's right. That's you lot. That's it. So any tips, tricks, hints, recipes, anything else you'd like to share with me, let me have it. And we're going to do a few videos with some other folks as well as me. Isn't that exciting? Oh, very good. And then just before Easter, we're going to have another surprise. So keep your eyes peeled. Oh, that's it. And enjoy the outdoors. Get outside. Have a lovely big gulp of fresh air and feel that spring coming. Oh, that's it. We're nearly there. Loads of love, everybody. Give everybody around you a big cuddle if you can. Remember to social distance and keep your hands washed and all that. That's it, because we're nearly there. All right. Big love, everybody. Loads of love. It's going to be Betty and Friends this month. All right. See you soon. Loads of love. Bye now. Bye. Bye. Bye.